Hi, in today's session we will learn how to find the domain and range of a function. Let us see the first question. Find the domain and range of f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x squared. To find the domain and range of f of x equal to 9 minus x squared. Well, so given f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x squared. Now in this function, this being a square root function, square root of function will be giving you a real number only if 9 minus x square is positive, which means 9 minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0. So on solving 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, we get those values of x for which 9 minus x square is positive. And f of x will be getting the real numbers only if 9 minus x square is positive. So as you know, the domain of a function is those values of x for which f of x is real. So let us try to solve this. By multiplying with minus 1, you get this as x squared minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. On factorizing, we get x plus 3 into x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. The solution of this can be obtained using the identity x minus a into x minus b is less than or equal to 0. Here we assume that a is less than b. So on the number line, we locate this a and b, which divides the total number line into three intervals: minus infinity to a to b, and b to infinity. So if x minus a into x minus b is less than or equal to 0, the solution lies in the interval a to b. So in this case, x plus 3 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. So we write the number line, we equate each of the factor to 0, so we get x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3. So we locate the points minus 3 and 3 on the number line, so which divides the total number line into three intervals. So the solution will be the interval in between minus 3 to 3. So x belongs to minus 3 to 3 is the solution. Therefore the domain is x belongs to minus 3 to 3. Now let us see how to find the range of the function f of x is equal to root of 9 minus x square. Let's name it as y. So y is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. The first step to find the range is express x in terms of y. So we get y squared equal to 9 minus x squared. This implies x squared equal to 9 minus y squared, implies x is equal to square root of 9 minus y squared. So the range of the function is those set of values of y for which x is real. So x is equal to square root of 9 minus y square, and x being a square root function is real only if 9 minus y square is positive. So 9 minus y square should be greater than or equal to 0, or that implies y square minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. So which gives us, on factorizing, y plus 3 into y minus 3 is less than or equal to 0, or y belongs to minus 3 to 3, using the same identity. If a is less than b, x minus a into x minus b less than or equal to 0, x belongs to closed interval ab. So using the same identity, we got this y as y belongs to closed interval minus 3 to 3. But we have also one more condition to be observed. Now y is a positive square root function, and we know that y is a positive square root function which gives us only the positive values as output. So y cannot be negative, y can be only positive. So y is greater than or equal to 0, as y is a square root function. So y cannot take the negative values, therefore the range is y belongs to closed interval 0 to 3. So this is how we find the range of this function y equal to square root of 9 minus x squared. You can make a note of this.